Hello everyone, Bhavishya here from CoinDCX, and this is Trading with CoinDCX 101. This video will cover the KYC process that you need to complete to start trading on CoinDCX. We have made KYC process extremely simple for you. After signing up for the platform, when you log in, you will be able to see this Verify My Profile Now button on your trade page. You can alternatively also access the KYC portal from your profile page. Just click on it and you will be taken to the SignZ page. This is your KYC portal. Keep your PAN card and Aadhaar card digital copy handy. You will need to upload these documents for KYC. The first step is to upload your PAN card. Make sure you take a picture on a preferably white or a clean background. Most of you would have these photos already handy in your PC. System should ideally read your details from the digital copy that you upload, though to be safe, just double check these details and move forward to the next step. Now you need to upload your Aadhaar card in a similar way and check your details. Check the button here after reading the text. Once you're done, your details would be sent to CoinDCX team to verify it. This process usually takes 3 to 10 hours on most business days. We are trying to shorten this time as much as possible. And that's it. Once verified, you will get an email like this. Now when you log into CoinDCX, you will be able to trade freely. Now the next step is to deposit some cryptocurrencies on CoinDCX and start trading. See you in the next.